Good morning, middle schoolers. Do you recognize this guy? Siddhartha Gautama, the historical Buddha, the enlightened one. He lived 5th century and 4th century before the Common Era, and he helped his followers to understand that suffering exists. Well, in fact, they already knew that. But more importantly, that the cause of suffering is this false belief that we are all separate. This misunderstanding about the interconnectedness of the universe. He said, once you can figure out how well connected you are, you'll be enlightened. You can walk the earth literally as a source of light for others and for yourself. I've been thinking a lot about Buddhism over the course of the last few weeks of stay at home. And I've been in touch with the fact that it can feel isolating at times, that we wonder, when will we see our friends again? When will we see family members that we're not able to visit with? When will we be back at One Lyman Circle? When will we know how long this will last? But I was struck yesterday on the first day of school at home by the beauty of our community and the ability to be connected even in this period of stay at home. I was struck by how happy people were to see each other's faces in the virtual hallway and how meaningful it was to enter into common purpose again in our classrooms and to feel connected as part of the Laurel community. So I'm just so grateful today for another opportunity for us to connect through school at home.